Hi, in this video, I'll be showing you how to generate your AI videos for free. I mean, free of charge, no payment, no subscription, nothing. Recently, if you notice, there is no AI tools you want to use that you will not pay for subscription fee, or they will ask for pro version or anything before you can even generate images, let alone of videos. And you know you're a beginner, you're just starting, you've not started making money. Maybe you just want to start making your first video or your first channel, and you might not have $30, $10, $20 to subscribe for these AI tools, but you still want to build your account. So with this app, you can generate your videos for free, no payments. You're not going to pay for any subscription fee. You're not going to have any limits. You can generate your videos for free without limits, without subscription with this app. And do it to subscribe to this channel because I give free updates like this every day. So without wasting much of your time, let's dive right into it. Let's go. So this is your YouTube app. When you open it, you see this plus sign here. You click on it. This page, you see shorts. Can you see shorts here? You click on shorts. Then you see this interface. Then you look up right corner at the top here. You see this logo here. You click on it. So when you click on it, you see a lot of things here: create video, make me video, photo, video, images and all. And you see a lot of templates here that you can use. When you upload your images here and describe your ideas, you can create templates like this. But this is not what we are talking about now. We want to make video. So you see photo to video, this one, this particular one, you click on it like this. So when you click on it, it will take you to your gallery, your phone gallery, your pictures and everything. You'll be seeing it in your gallery. You know you've already saved your video. You know you've already saved your images from your prompts, your image prompts. You have your images in your phone already. So you pick the one you want to turn to video from the images. I'm using this one, this particular one. I'll click on it. Then you copy your video prompt, or you type whatever you want the video to do. Here now, you have a suggestion from AI, because AI will read your image. So you paste your prompt like this. This is your prompt, and you can see the AI will generate some prompts for you, possible prompts from the image that you upload. But if you have your prompts, just click on paste, click on this place and paste your prompt here. This is our prompt now. Then you use this arrow to send it. It will generate. So it is loading now. This method is simple and it is okay for people that maybe you don't have much to subscribe to the pro version of those AI tools. You can still use this one to create something, post it, build your channel with it. And when you have money to subscribe to pro versions of those apps, then you can start subscribing to the pro version. But at least with this, you can still practice your AI stories, your AI generation and anything here, free of charge on YouTube. So now it depends on your network. Let's see what it's going to give us.
Even the earth gives fruit in its season.
You now go ahead, you click on this dot here. Here, you see save to device. You click on save to device. Then you save it to your device. It will be on your phone. You can see it's so simple. So do well to subscribe to this channel for more free tips like this. And watch out for my next tip. Peace out.